Howdy y'all, welcome back. I was originally going to do a segment on whopper ploppers and how to fish them, but I thought today I'd switch gears and try something a little different. We're going to do low creek fishing. Doesn't take much, and this is mainly has bluegill in it. As far as I know, there's no bass in here. Sometimes there's catfish, and believe it or not, sometimes there's eels in here. But we're going for bluegill and sunfish. You don't need much. 6-pound line. You're not going to need anything more than that. Real light line. We have a I call them Google Eye jig head with a tube on it. No weight. And we're looking for places like this where you got slack water. There's a little bit of current. It's not stagnant. And you got structure, and the bluegill will be holding up to it, and you just cast past it, try not to get into it. Easier said than done, right? So I had some difficulties, and now I'm going to try this Lunker lure. It's by a crappie magnet. Works pretty good on just about everything: bass, crappie, bluegill. I feel like they weren't really committing to the bite, so I'm going to try something a little more action. On a different spot. Water's a little deeper on the far bank. I think there's definitely going to be something in this pool. See where they at. Got one. Whoa, what happened there? I don't know what happened there. I had one on the line and that was weird. Might have been a turtle. Yeah, it was definitely a fish on. Might have got hooked up on something. That was way too big to be a bluegill. Might be something else in here I don't know about. As far as I know, there's only bluegills in here. Shouldn't be any bass. I think the water is too polluted in here from runoff to sustain anything other than these sunfish and the occasional catfish. And even the catfish I've seen aren't too massive. Hard to say. Well, I successfully caught one on a pink grub. Look at that thing. Look at the eyes on that thing. The red-breasted sunfish. Surprisingly big, because nobody really fishes for them. They get pretty damn big. That's got a big mouth for a sunfish. Look at that thing. I was trying to get him for a while, and I finally got him on this pink grub, and he fought. Man, did he fight. There you go, buddy. And he was back there in that deep pool, and he grabbed it, and I brought him in. Not usually around here. That was a big bite. What is that? Oh, man. What was that? Did y'all see that? Now that one felt like a sunfish. That didn't feel like the other one. that big, massive bite. And here I'm thinking I gotta give it some kind of action, and they're just hitting it on a dead stick. Oh, yeah, I didn't even know I had one. That was bizarre. That was really weird. I think that my other line had a fish on it. Let's see if I can get it. It's my old line that I broke off. And I feel like it does indeed have something on it, maybe? What was that? That's crazy. Huh. I'll be damned. Some days are just weirder than others, I guess. Alright. Let's try to solve this mystery here today. Just had to share this. This is my personal best right here. I didn't even know they got that small. Man. And here I was worrying my hook was too big before. And I'm just catching a little tiny thing. That's a little itty bitty. Not my biggest, that's for sure. He's got my next red-breasted sunfish. Definitely not a good hook. Got him right in the head. But these like little deep pools, and they do have sunfish in them. I have to admit today they're just not biting as hard as they usually do. I don't know why. That's it for me. I'm out of time. I hope you enjoy watching the video about catching sunfish and bluegill, even though I didn't catch any bluegill. It's a nice alternative to bass fishing. Even if you don't have a place near your house, there's always got to be a creek somewhere. Chances are there's going to be some sunfish in it. And if you don't have sunfish, then you'll have something else. It's nice being able to go somewhere 5 minutes away and get some fish. Like I said, it's just goofing around, just having fun. Nothing serious here, no PBs, no records, just a bunch of fishing. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we beat it, didn't we? Did we beat that? You don't beat it. You don't beat this river.